Yan. So you see that wave. So maganda. The turquoise green, I love it. That's turquoise. Ay, aquamarine turquoise.
Aquamarine.
Whatever. But I love the waves. Nakikita nyo ba yan?
Green eh. Ordinary green.
Guys, wow, I love it. The best thing in life is the waves in Pagod Food.
Gusto ko din ng ganyan. Ay,
Wow, beautiful. Just like me.
tama na.
This is the sea, and this one naman is the... Ayan. So, mga students ng St. Mary's. So, nandito po kami sa Estuarine side. So, dito nagmi-meet yung tabang at saka yung alat. So, eto po yun. The mouth of the river. Going to the sea. Ang lakas po ng alon. We're so blessed today kasi pinagbigyan po kami because it's signal number 2 here in Cagayan. But now it's really, really smoking hot in here. Beautiful waves. Si Ma'am JM, frustrated model. At saka si Ma'am Maricel.